This puzzle was to complete, and I mean that with all my heart and soul. How did I get stuck doing this puzzle? Well, I had family in town over Christmas, and they pulled a puzzle out, and we're like, let's complete a puzzle. Don't worry, it'll be done before we're gone. Of course, that was a big fat lie, and I was stuck with completing this puzzle. And oh my god, it was so difficult. This puzzle bent my mind in half. Most of the pieces were solid colors, and it was hard to tell where they should go in the puzzle. All these big patches of white and blue, different shades of white and blue, snowflakes, it could be anything. It could be the sky, it could be the snow, it could be Snoopy's body, or even an ice skate. Since this jigsaw was so hard to solve, I am going to glue it together with Mod Podge and keep it for next year to use as a Christmas decoration. I start by dumping Mod Podge directly onto the puzzle. And then spreading out the glue as evenly as possible with my foam rollers, ensuring that I get into every crack and crevice. Oh, the smell of glue is so intoxicating. Now, this puzzle was already sort of sticking together without any glue, so I think one layer of Mod Podge will be plenty to hold this puzzle together. I could literally brush glue all day long. It's very therapeutic. Once it's dry, I flip the puzzle over and then put a few strips of tape on the back. To ensure that it holds together till next year. Then when Christmas rolls around, I can pull this puzzle out and figure out what to do with it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.